Hey, everybody, it's Eddie again from Tokyo. This is your cryptocurrency update number 2 from Japan. I decided to make 2 videos today because the last one, which had many things I wanted to say, just got so long that I thought it'd be best if I broke it up into 2 different videos. So this one is all about how do we do our TA, or technical analysis. And as you all know, I am a believer in TA, but I just don't solely rely on TA. And sometimes I feel that the influencers out there on YouTube who do, for the most part, a pretty excellent job. I mean, I could give you, in fact, maybe in the comment section, I'll give you a list of the people who I follow and I really pay attention to. And I have great respect for them. But, you know, for the most part, they're doing a very, just scratching the surface. And I like to go a little deeper. So I'm always constantly trying to find other tools out there that give us an insight as to not only where we've been, but where we're going. And as you know, this is tradingview.com. And I love this site, but if you're not using their tools, maybe you should consider using their tools, which is a technical analysis that has a summary and also broken down into the oscillators or the moving averages. And, you know, if you're really going to do technical analysis on a deep level, look at all the indicators that you need to take a look at. So, for example, if we're going to look at moving averages, there are many types of moving averages that constitute the overall market movement. So, I just want to show you here. If we look at the RSI, which so many of the influencers out there are looking at, and it is really a great indicator. It's the relative strength index, and it's a well-versed momentum-based oscillator, which is used to measure the speed or velocity, as well as the change magnitude of directional price movements. Essentially, the RSI, when graphed, provides a visual means to monitor both the current as well as historical strength and weakness of a particular market. So, yeah, it's an important indicator. And if you look back at all of the different types of trends that you can look at to really make a decision on where the market has been and where it's going. This one, which is called momentum, or MOM, I like this one. The momentum indicator is a leading indicator measuring a security's rate of change. So it compares the current price with the previous price from the number of periods ago, and the ongoing plot forms an oscillator that moves above or below zero, and it is fully unbounded. Yeah, which is important. And it has no lower or upper limit. So bullish and bearish interpretations are found by looking at divergences, centerline crossovers, and extreme readings. So, yeah, I think that you could probably benefit from using these tools on the tradingview.com. And here you can see from these individual analysis, whether it's the oscillators or the moving averages, you know, to really look at the market in a deep way, you can't do it in 1 or 2 minutes like some of these guys are doing on YouTube. You really need to do it much more in depth. So I think if you don't have the time to individually look at all of the indicators, you can use this summary. And as of right now, I'm in a 1-day caption for Bitcoin. It shows us in a relatively medium position for buy. And as you can see, the needle is slightly moving to the neutral side, but still consistently staying in the buy. According to the moving averages, it is showing us more of a stronger buy message, and within the oscillators, it is closer to what the overall summary is. This can be changed to looking at the market in a 1 month glance, and you can see in the 1 month glance there's quite a change in the indicators within the oscillators, that it moves to neutral. So I just think that if you are a big TA fan, this tradingview.com is a website that you can have some fun with, utilize, and probably help make decisions if you're trading. Or if you're just curious, you might be a hodler and just curious and want to have a feel for what the market is going to do. So I wanted to bring that to your attention. Yeah, this site is just, this is like candy for me. I just love it. All right. The other one I want to tell you about is this one called Coin Market Alert. If you don't have this in your toolbox, I think you need to add it. This is a place that, and it's free of charge, you can set some pricing alerts, or you can set some profit loss alerts. You can also set the volume change alert, market cap alerts, frequency market cap alert, or the frequency total cap alert. And what else here? Do we have anything else? Some frequency price alerts and some price percentage change by percentage alerts. And yeah, I'm using this and I just love it. And when you track a coin, you just put your coin in, and you can see you use the drop down menu, and the number of coins is quite vast. I don't think you will have any trouble finding your coin on here. And then you can have an alert sent to you when the price is above so-and-so or below so-and-so, and you can receive that notification in an email message, or you can receive it on a webhook notification, a push notification on your device or browser, or even receive it as a message in your Telegram account. So I think if you are actively trading, you should be also considering using tools like this. So that's it. That's all I wanted to tell you. I think this was just the last two things that I thought were important enough, but I didn't add them in the last video. However, I hope you can be all smart traders and use all the tools out there that are available to you, especially these free ones. I mean, why not, right? Okay, everybody, please take care, and sayonara for now. Talk to you tomorrow.